With over 31,000 retail locations servicing millions of customers a day, Paradise Donut Company has set themselves apart as a leader in the market. With such exponential growth, we've come together as a small software development team to propose a solution for Paradise Donut Company's new website. We've created a solution built upon the backbone of Amazon Web Services, following proper development operations principles that will be able to handle the millions of customers Paradise Donut Company deals with daily. We present to you the all-new Paradise Donut Company web app. With millions of rabid fans spread throughout the country, there is no such thing as a small local solution for the Paradise Donut Company. No, any website needs to be able to serve everyone throughout the entire nation. We've come to a conclusion on how to best serve everyone, and that is through utilizing Amazon Web Services and their incredible, robust backbone of services available. Behind any good website is a good architecture. We present ours. This new web app is hosted in the US East 2 region to best serve the clientele throughout the entire country. We've created a VPC for the Paradise Donut Company that contains many T2 virtual machines that each contain a web server. These web servers have the website for the Paradise Donut Company, which in turn reaches out to a database server to get the information regarding which donuts are available. These donuts all have images stored in an S3 image bucket. References to these images are found in the database. Because the customer demand for donuts varies based off the day, we have implemented a load balancer that auto-scales the amount of T2 instances available to best fit the needs of the clientele. For example, should most people examine this website early in the morning considering a breakfast, more T2 instances will be created to host the web server then. When the website's in lower demand, perhaps in the mid-afternoon, these instances will be shut down to help optimize costs and always provide the necessary resources for customers. All code for the web app is uploaded to the T2 instances via a code pipeline. This entire formation is created in AWS CloudFormation, allowing for easy editing that can then apply to the entire network as a whole instead of having to edit individual virtual computers at a time. This solution would be very cost-effective for Paradise Donut Company. The monthly cost of a T2 micro instance used in this solution is $8.50, meaning an instance would cost approximately $100 per year. For the infrastructure to support millions of users a day, we need to determine the average number of instances running per year. If we assume 1 million users would use the site for a day, each spending approximately 1 minute browsing the web page, we can determine that we would need approximately 50 instances running at a time, as each instance can support 15 users. When you take the 50 instances used and multiply it by the approximate $100, it means for the T2 instances, the cost would be about $5,000. When you add in the cost to support a relational database system from AWS, as well as the S3 bucket, it brings a total yearly cost of approximately $5,500. The app itself is simple, as this brief demonstration will show. Immediately you see a lovely user interface full of bright colors to catch attention. When you click the Our Mission button, it takes you to this mission statement. Below the mission statement lies a list of donuts. This list of donuts is gathered from the database and automatically generated. Therefore, if more donuts are added, the list would automatically increase. At the bottom, we have some fun reviews as well. Here is a brief screenshot showing the website, as well as the database information being sent to the website, as captured by a console. The relational database system from AWS is set up to be a MySQL database. The database is located in multiple availability zones to provide redundancy and help prevent outages. The database has security groups to prevent other sources from accessing it. Each image URL in the database is a reference to a specific file located in an S3 bucket. Shown next are the individual EC2 instances hosting the web servers, as well as the auto-scaling groups they're a part of, and the load balancer. Thank you for taking time to view our presentation. This web app was created by the team of Ethan Hollis, Peter Gardiner, Elijah McKay, and Ben Fankhauser. Ben Fankhauser and Ethan Hollis created the web application locally. Peter Gardiner, Elijah McKay, and Ben Fankhauser did the lion's share of work creating the CloudFormation template with which the web application and VPC were uploaded. This video was created by Ethan Hollis. The major challenges in this project were definitely the CloudFormation. No one on our team was incredibly familiar with AWS from the get-go. Because of this, we worked very hard to learn and to demonstrate that we can deliver incredible ideas and products. As a team, we spent multiple hours finalizing the CloudFormation and creating it so security groups could interact with each other and the EC2 instances could interact and talk with the RDS. Elijah McKay and Peter Gardiner worked on the code pipeline, spending several hours implementing it. While in its current iteration it's not perfect, in a future sprint we would finalize the code pipeline to perfect it. Everyone on the team worked very well together, working hard to provide an exceptional product. Thank you so much.